Imagine you are sitting in a small coffee shop enjoying your drink when suddenly a foreigner turns to you and starts talking. They speak fast, really fast, and after a few seconds, your brain just freezes. You catch a few words here and there, but not enough to understand the whole idea. You smile, nod a little, but inside you're thinking, what are they talking about? Then they look at you and ask, got it? At that moment, you realize they just want to know if you understand. If you do, you can simply smile and say, yes, got it. But if you don't pretend. This is where your real communication begins. They continue speaking, and it's still too fast for you. So you take a small breath and say, slow down, please. It's a simple sentence, but it changes everything. Now they know you are trying, and most people will gladly slow down for you. If you want to sound even more polite, you can say, could you slow down a bit, please? Even after they slow down, you might still not fully understand what they mean. That's okay. You can say, sorry, I'm not sure. What do you mean? This shows that you are listening and that you really want to understand. As the conversation becomes clearer, you start to follow their story. You feel more confident. And when they pause, you encourage them by saying, go on, or keep going. It's your way of saying, I'm listening. The conversation begins to flow more naturally now, but suddenly they say something too quickly again, and you miss it completely. Instead of feeling lost, you now know exactly what to do. You smile and say again and slow down, please. This time, you are in control. You are guiding the conversation, not just reacting to it. Now it's your turn to speak. You try to explain your idea, but you feel your words are not clear enough. So you pause and say, and then say your sentence again in a simpler way. Or you add, it means, to explain your idea more clearly. Step by step, you make sure the other person understands you. And just like that, what started as an awkward, confusing moment turns into a real conversation. You realize something important. You don't need perfect English to communicate. You just need the courage to ask, to clarify, and to keep going.